Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Canva AI Generator. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Canva AI is the smartest component of mainstream Canva design tools. Embraced with advanced algorithm and producers, these AI tools are grouped as the Magic Studio in the Canva dashboard, offering multitudes of functionalities including Magic Eraser, Background Remover, Magic Switch, Magic Morph, Magic Wrap, Magic Expand, and Magic Animated. The AI component works by scanning over millions of pages on the internet next. It utilizes machine learning and LLMs to understand the structure and content from the available sources to find patterns and generate new content. So what if you want to use AI on your Canva? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Canva. You can use it on your mobile apps or on the computer. Now, after that, you can see in here there's an option Canva AI. In here, you can select on that. And in here, you can describe your idea. You can enter the prompt and Canva will bring it to life. For example, you can see what you can do with AI. Image, you can generate image like this. You can write a review of a book series you recently discovered, design, video, code, all of this. Canva I can do all of these things. Now, for example, I will enter the prompt. For example, I think I will enter this prompt. Now, enter. We can wait. Canva is generating your prompt. So here's the result. It's very cool, right? You can do anything with Canva. If you want to generate your image, you can enter. Before you enter the prompt, you can insert your picture first in here. And also you can generate the video, create an aesthetic happy birthday video, or create signed b-roll. All you can do in here, you can just enter the prompt or the image that you want to generate and select on enter, and now Canva will generate that, and you can get what you want. It's very simple. So that is how to use AI on Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.